Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your legs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release and return to center. Transitioning into a gentle hip opener, coming to take a seat with your knees bent and your feet to the earth, with your hands behind you for support. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Keep your chest lifting and your spine long as you continue relaxing your right thigh open, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue to lift through your chest, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your spine long, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Release and step your feet into a wide stance. Begin to windshield wiper your knees from right to left, drawing opposite knee to ankle, creating more mobility and flexibility through your hips, releasing any tension. Continue breathing deeply as you release and extend both legs forward. Keep your left leg extended as you bend your right knee and place the sole of your right foot to your inner left thigh. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with your next exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, placing your hands to the earth for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, gently folding deeper, allowing this forward bend to calm your mind, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. With your next inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. Adding a twist, exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Extend strongly through your right leg. Bend your left knee and place the sole of your left foot to your inner right thigh. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, placing your hands to the earth for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently folding deeper, keeping your right leg active by flexing through your right heel. Slowly lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Slowly unwind and make your way into Cobbler's pose. Bend your knees and place the soles of your feet together, relaxing your knees out to the sides. Continue sitting upright or with your hands to your feet. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, slowly fold forward, stretching through your thighs and hips. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, transitioning into reclined postures, making your way onto your back. Draw your left knee in towards your chest as you extend strongly through your right leg, keeping your right leg active by flexing through your right heel. Adding a twist, reach your left arm open to the left and place your left foot to your right thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, use your right hand to draw your left knee across your body, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look towards your left arm. Stay connected to your breath, breathing deeply, allowing your body to relax into this twist. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Draw your right knee in towards your chest. Extend through your left leg, keeping your left leg active by flexing through your left heel, feeling a gentle stretch through your low back. Adding a twist, reach your right arm open to the right and place your right foot to your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, use your left hand to draw your right knee across your body, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look towards your right arm. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through your hips, glutes, low back, abs, chest, and neck. Slowly unwind and return to center, sending both feet to the earth, exploring one more gentle hip opener. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue here, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase the stretch, reach your right hand under your right calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your left thigh, gently drawing your legs in towards your chest. Continue relaxing through your head and neck, keeping your hips level to the earth, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Slowly release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue here, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, reach your left hand under your left calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your right thigh, gently drawing your legs in closer. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip, relaxing through your neck and shoulders. Slowly release and set both feet to the earth. Reach your arms out like a T. Pick up your hips and move them slightly left of center. Adding a twist, cross your left leg over your right. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax your knees to the right, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look towards your left arm. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Slowly unwind and return to center, repeating this gentle twist on the opposite side. Pick up your hips and move them slightly right of center. Cross your right leg over your left. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, relax your knees to the left, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look towards your right arm. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, feeling your entire body relax into this twist. Slowly unwind and return to center. Bend your knees and roll off to your side, coming up to take a seat. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.